You see the eyes?
Yeah, I see. It look like you got something down the middle.
Yeah, the blue to match the shirt.
Down the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You did good.
Hey Glam Dolls, welcome to Season 1, Episode 1 of A Typical Routine. This is a new series that I'm jump-starting here on this channel of me sharing with you all random typical routines that I tend to do. But for this video, I failed to do a proper intro, hence this very short voiceover as the actual intro. And in today's video, I'm sharing with you just a typical routine of me applying my makeup while having a phone conversation with my mom, as she shared with me what conversation her and one of her friends was just having. I also have a disclaimer. Names and words have been bleeped just to protect the identity of the referenced person's involvement, and my mom was well aware of knowing that this conversation was going to be shared with you all today as part of my typical routine. So thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one with a proper intro. Later, dolls. What they did was...
And I told her that's why the people heard that, and these people got houses. They got houses.
No, but you ended up...
Yeah, I said that's because they listened to Governor Cuomo and they didn't look into what he was talking about.
Yeah, nobody really researched it because for the mere fact, you only got a deferment, right? You didn't get a forgiveness. They didn't say, oh, you ain't got to pay your mortgage and you ain't never got to pay the money that you didn't pay. It was just a deferment. And the deferment was still based upon if you qualified. During a pandemic or not, if you qualify, they will defer your payments for your mortgage and put it on the back end. So later on, you would have to pay. So at the end of the 90 days, they will do a review on your account. And whatever your mortgage amount was times 3, you had to pay that all up front. Or you can ask for a breakdown, right? Or they will put it on the back end. So that's what they was doing for people who had mortgages.
So she comes talking about. I said, hey, listen to Governor Cuomo. I said, I heard him when he was telling people, oh, you didn't have to do it for 3 months. I said, but I paid my rent every month. I didn't give a.
But
you don't have a mortgage. I said, neither do you. And you'll never be homeless because your rent is only $2.
I can't get over that. Her rent is only $2.
Yes, $2.
What was she complaining about?
She was saying about people going to be homeless. It's going to get bad because of the pandemic. And a lot of people going to be homeless, and this and that. And I told her, she got mad when I told her, I guess, $2. I said, well, you'll never be homeless. Your rent is only $2. I said, so then she says, well, and I told her, I said, my daughter pay her mortgage every month. She said, but they lost their job. This and that. They say that was stressed out. She owed me $21.
Y'all kill me with the $21, with the $10, with the $2.
Yeah, but say she was stressed out. She probably ain't got no money, and she mad.
I'll continue to pray for her wellness and safety as we all navigate through this most difficult time of uncertainty, because I don't have it in me. I really don't.
That's how yesterday went. Early in the morning.
And them two getting into it was like, for what? I don't...
Ashtray fell.
Uh-huh.
You could tell. I went over the floor. That area by the chair. Right by the chair. I didn't do the whole thing.
Even when I use... I guess I need to stop trying to do the damn look that I'm trying to do.
What are you trying to do?
I had a vision, and I'm just gonna go with it. I don't like how it's coming out, but
Pocket spaces over here. Well, what are you trying to get? What are you trying to do?
Like a turquoise blue and brown eye look. I guess this is coming out okay. I mean, I'm just gonna add the eyelashes because I already put on my wing liner.
Another period on Comedy Central Pluto TV.
It's coming out better than I anticipated.
Oh, so then you good.
Yeah, but I'm still not happy with it. You know what I realized?
Sure, because he seen I went over the floor with the back.
I realized once you wear eyelashes, there's no going back.
No, it's not.
Once you start wearing eyelashes, there is no going back. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You only...
I put on to eyelashes when she was with
Here we go. You swear. I wish she was here to rectify things, because you swear you always put her on to something. She was the one showing you stuff.
She didn't show me.
Yes, she did.
What she showed me?
She said when
I
you...
started her with the eyelashes, and the reason why I put her on to the lashes is because I went to barber store and I put a treatment. You know, highly expensive. The young guy up here.
There you go. Back with your Barbizon modeling.
Yeah. I went to the school.
How they turned you into the Black Liza Minnelli.
Yes. And my father didn't even know it was me. My mother had to tell him. She said, "You don't know your daughter."
This is coming out better than I anticipated.
Really?
Yeah, it looks better than I anticipated.
You must have fixed it.
I just kept going. That's how it is with makeup. You be doing something and then you'll feel like it ain't coming out right. Didn't you get your jeans?
What jeans?
Some purple jeans?
Yeah, I sent my purple pants, the black ones. They refunded my money because they didn't send it back, and the blazer they didn't send back.
Oh boy.
Okay, you know you give it. She wants to talk to you about it, so go ahead.
This is coming out better than I anticipated.
I know you don't like my job very much. What is it that you do? As I understand it, you two, what, dance together? Yes, together. Oh, she took her pants down. She ain't had on no drawers.
How you know?
Because they take each other's clothes.
That don't mean she don't have on no underwear.
She don't have on none. They walking around. They had took off all their clothes and get in a tub.
What, on the TV show?
Yes, Jerry Springer. Where's the Jerry? You want? Where's the Jerry? Oh, they gave them towels to wrap around their butt.
What the husband said?
He said, no, he said it's twisted.
So he's in a disagreement. This came out, you're going to hear me say it like 5 million times. I really like how it came out.
You gonna wear it with the braids?
No, actually, I should just FaceTime you. Answer on your phone.
Oh, I like that color.
You like this color?
Yeah, I like that color. What's the color number?
Oh, You talking about the daggone wig? It's ginger.
Ginger. Yes, yes.
No, you can't have it.
No, I'm not gonna wear that color. I'm too dark.
No, this will look nice on you.
No, it would not.
You have to step out your comfort zone. I'm not going to put you in something that's going to look crazy.
I know, but that's a shiny, bright wig.
It's not shiny. You see the eyes?
Yeah, I see. Look like you got something down the middle.
Yeah, the blue to match the shirt.
Down the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You did good. You did good.
Well, thank you, Mother. Oh, hold on a moment. So, on that note, this concludes
Now,
the video.
Under. Did you put the eyeliner?
Okay, no, I didn't do that, but hold on a minute. This concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I'ma finish having morning talks with my mommy, but I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.
Did you contour your cheeks?
Yes, Ma.